Inflation has seen consistent rise this year to reach an 18-year high of 29.6% in June. At an IEA forum in Accra, panelists were in unison that the rippling effects of the COVID-19 pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine war has led to a global inflation crisis, of which Ghana is not spared. The Director of Research of the IEA, Dr. John Kwachi, said food, exchange rate disparities, and fuel shocks in particular are major drivers of inflation in the country.
Now, fuel also. Again, do something about fuel, because we need to position ourselves to be able to respond to these shocks that come. So, is it bust? Bust. What happened to TOR? TOR, such an important national asset. What has happened to it? We need to bring it back, to refine our crude, locally. Then the exchange rate also. The way to stabilize it on a durable basis is to close the supply-demand gap. So we must do something about the supply side and do something about the demand side.
A scholar and JPJ editor, IEA, Professor Alexander Bilson Darko, said government must ensure there is abundance of food in the country to reduce the inflation burden emanating from food.
Spend more on investment to increase the production capacity, and also if production in the economy is increasing more, then government will be able to raise more money, more revenue, and will not be running deficit. And the food prices too. If we have a lot of productive capacity, very good distribution system for food to reach everybody, prices will not be rising that much. So if the central bank and government are serious in achieving inflation target as we so desire, though the target is a lot high and we can reduce it over time once we do better, then I think it boils down to increasing productive capacity in this country.
The IEA called on the Bank of Ghana and policymakers to work together in reducing exchange rate volatility.